This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need the latest Alight motion and a signed-in account. Once you have that, open the project you want to share. Start by saving a fresh copy so you preserve the original and make sure all assets are embedded or accessible. Next, enable project-level sharing in the project settings rather than exporting a rendered video. This gives a link recipients can import. This first step sets the foundation. Do it now so you avoid missing media or broken links later. Once done, go to the project menu and choose Share, then Create Project Link. This generates a URL you can send. When prompted, pick Permissions, View Only if you just want to show, or allow copying and editing if collaborators must work on it. Make sure the dialog lists included assets. If large files are missing, relink them or compress oversized media to avoid upload failures. After confirming, copy the link to your clipboard and test it in another device to verify import works as expected. Finally, paste the project link into your message, email, or project tracker and add a short note about the project version and any fonts or plugins used. Make sure you test the link by importing on a secondary device. This confirms recipients won't hit errors. If something goes wrong, check 3 things: that assets are embedded or relinked, both devices run compatible app versions, and the share permissions allow import. If necessary, recreate the link after fixing those issues and retest immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.